Light, Wind, Sound. 3 works from personal programs. Atmospheric Listening Station, Firat Erdim, 2020. This work is an Aeolian harp, a musical instrument played by the wind. The ethereal long tones of various pitches is the wind blowing across a single string, connected to 2 buckets and stretched over the top of a pole. Blue Comet, Leah Medin, 2020. In this work, Medin converses with the landscape using light, sound, color, and movement. Prospect and Refuge, Leigh Yardley, 2020. This work employs text and materiality to change the palette of the landscape. The landscape awaits you.